Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Mechanics. Super quick helpful video to any of you trying to find the BCM module, also known as body control module, fuses and relays on Jeep Cherokee, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2023. So with this we'll explain where you can expect to find them. Now there might be some minor differences for the different years, but we'll talk about that. In addition, if you need to buy replacement parts to use it or fuses, relays, we're going to share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out guys and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from, so let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that guys, all that because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos guys. Check out our YouTube channels, that's where guys you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So the BCM fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them. By the way guys, you have some hidden fuse boxes in that Jeep Cherokee. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel. That's called Jeep Cherokee fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, it's very helpful video. People told us save them thousands of dollars in repairs. Now we need to check multiple fuses, and these fuses are in a fuse box under the hood. Really easy to access fuse box. When you open the hood, doesn't matter which engine you have, on the driver's side here behind the car battery, you press the tabs together, pull the cover up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse, okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse, sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always guys test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good, you end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find guys a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. Here guys, for the BCM we will need to be checking multiple fuses. The first one, okay, that we need to cover today will be guys fuse number 23, and we're talking, this is the main fuse that you will need to check right here. This is one of the main fuses. Then we need to locate fuse number guys, fuse number 34. So 34 guys, okay, will be a little bit on the opposite side. You may or may not have this one. If you have it, you see in that row of fuses, it will be the second one from right to left. Some of you may not have this one, depending on which year you have, because they changed a few things during the years, but we mentioned all of them, so you need to check all of these guys. Then you need to locate fuse number guys 41. So fuse number 41 will be that 50 amp fuse here. Very important fuse as well. After that you will guys need to check one more, and this is known as fuse number 54, coming in that row of fuses. We're talking about that fuse right here. All these fuses will need to be checked guys for the BCM. You don't have any relays, okay, the relay function practically, those are known as relay fuses. That's the only thing that you need to check. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3-blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one, and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.